the American Broadcasting Company, ABC.
It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done, TGIF.
Oh, I wouldn't want to mess with that Michelle. She is one macho mama.
Oh, yeah. Now, tonight I'm going places. I move in.
Whoa, Nick's or Nickelodeon. Family Matters is on there.
I love that show. What happens tonight?
Well, tonight on Family Matters, we're having a devil of a time trying to do the right thing.
Sounds hot. Let's roll it.
Oh, this kid learns fast.
So the water's completely different up here. I mean, this water's a lot colder because it just all goes through the woods in the shade.
Right.
All that is all in the sun, dude. This is all in the shade. It's like 10, 15 degrees colder. Whoa, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Oh, there's birds that live up there. There's birds that live, you can see them. They have homes in like the dirt underneath the roots up there. You'll probably find a shell fossil. Look at all these broken, they're all broke. These shale rocks, all this shale. There it is. This water stinks. This water's stinky. That thing's gonna fall. Yeah. Look at that tree hanging on. Holy cow.
Trees are so strong.
The trees are the thing that are keeping it from eroding more. That's the waterfall. You see the water was up here, huh?
What's that big hole?
I don't know, let's go look. I remember that hole. Watch out, it's muddy right there. Hole in the rock. This is all one big flat piece, and there's just like a hole right here, I don't know. There it is though.
This is filmed last time. How pretty it is over there.
It hasn't rained in a while. So that means it's easier for us to get to. You're right, there wasn't a dry spot to go up here. Be careful, man. Oh man! It's so cold, it feels great. It's really cold. Huh? Be careful. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Look how there's like two different ones. It goes from there down into there. I used to sit in that thing over there. Remember? This used to be like my hot tub right here. Right there is where I sit. Oh, geez. Wow. hell is that? What is that? What is that? There's like a fence. What?
TJF is just beginning to roll. Stick right here as we get on with the show.
Get to class, son. School isn't a game.
But this is. Blockbuster Video has the newest and hottest video games you crave.
Life is a challenge, not a game.
Well, now it's both at Blockbuster Video, where the challenge never ends.
Now, Blockbuster Video has all your favorites for the holidays, like Sonic and Knuckles from Sega. Take on Sonic and Knuckles alone, and you can plug in Sonic 2 and Sonic 3 into your Sonic and Knuckles game for entirely new adventures. It's Sonic and Knuckles from Sega, now at Blockbuster Video.
Mom, Dad, I ate my vegetables. I'm getting a cookie.
Okay. At Old Country Buffet, there are over 90 items to choose from, but none more tempting than dessert. Whoa. Hot cobbler, apple crisp, all kinds of cookies and cakes. You can even build your own sundae. So go for it.
Whoa.
That's a cookie?
Yeah, it's in there.
Cookie sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
Old Country Buffet. Great choice.
Sunday, team up for a perfect 10 with the latest winter sports, new tests of endurance, and some real cool runnings on America's funniest home videos Sunday. When man set out to build the perfect machine in his own image, we never could have dreamed of this.
Hello. You did it. You built a robot. Oh, yes.
It's Snowball Nerd.
Whoa, Mom.
A hunk of metal designed for laughs. Only on Family Night. Since my baby left me. Followed by the rest of TGIF. Tomorrow on ABC.
WJET TV24 Erie.
Forest, Lord of the Rings. New Zealand, Middle Earth. I don't know.
Oh yeah, wilderness man.
Wow, that's not safe at all. Don't even go underneath that. Don't even touch it.
I want to touch it. Okay.
We could all die. Watch out. Deer poop. Oh. Question is... This is super dangerous. This could break in the middle, and like I'm dead. Oh, I think his backpack's throwing me off.
Wow, that is Ninja Warrior. That was pretty good.
What is this? No, I'm dude, how could people get these rocks up here? Anybody.
It's a circle, it's a fire pit.
I know, but like who? Dig in it, see if you can find any wood.
Yeah,
see how old it is. Use a stick or something. Just shuffle through it. Want me to do it?
They probably burn people here.
What if this is like a grave? Ancient Indian burial ground. It looks kind of like, well, it's what the whole bottom of the forest looks like. I don't know. That's wood. Oh yeah, wood, see? The fire pit from ancient times. Where'd you go? Where are we?
I think we came over this house.
Oh, look, right there. Oop, mushroom.
Ooh, eat it.
No, no. Whoa, whoa, oh.
We can post it tomorrow, I thought.
Really? Okay. What did you say? Yeah, dude, Ark. We were up there. Yeah. Uh-oh, I'm gonna fall. That's like